Just called them up. They got one more left in stock. Let's go pick them up. Okay, so this right here is the new side skirts for the FRS, and some of you guys may be looking at this and already know what side skirts these are, and a lot of you guys probably are looking at this and you guys have not seen it before. Now, these right here are not so much available as they are in the States. I had to go ahead and order these from a specific shop. These side skirts right here are the S-style side skirts for the FRS Beerzine 86. And if you guys wanted these in Canada, it's a lot more work than going ahead and getting them because these aren't that available over here. In order to get these side skirts, I had to order it from a specific shop that was able to go ahead and contact the company. And it took about 3 to 4 weeks to get shipped to where I am here in Canada. Now, when I was going ahead and picking up these side skirts, the owner also told me that these side skirts are pretty rare. And I've been to so many different 86-day events. I've seen so many FRS Beerzine 86s. I have not seen these in person yet. I've seen them online, but just not on a car in person. And this is gonna be the first time that I am seeing it. Now, the other option to these were the TRD side skirts, but with the TRD side skirts, I feel like they're overdone. I feel like every single FRS Beerzine 86 has them on their car. Don't get me wrong, they do look good, but I kind of wanted to change it up, take a little bit of a risk, and see if these look any good on the build. So right now, I kind of have it just sitting on the car. It's sitting on my old STI style side skirts, and honestly, it doesn't look too bad. I'm pretty happy with how it does look. Now, obviously, these side skirts are going to get paint matched just so they look a lot better. Once it's paint matched, I think it's gonna look 10 times better because I do have a specific colorway that I'm trying to go ahead and do with the paint matching. These side skirts also are sitting a bit lower than the STI style side skirts, so that's gonna drop the car a bit as well. But looking at it right now, I'm pretty happy with how it came out, and I think it's gonna look even better once we go ahead and get it paint matched. And once that's done, we'll go ahead and get started on the installation on these side skirts and install them properly on the FRS. So as you guys can see right over here, the side skirts came back from the paint shop and they came out so clean. Now, as you guys can see, the custom colorway I was talking about was the red on the side skirts, and on the bottom part, we left it black. So if you guys look closely right over here, it's kind of like a two-tone with the gloss black and the red as well. And honestly, I didn't expect it to come out this clean, and it's gonna look so sick on the car. Okay, so right now we're just taping the back of the side skirts with this 3M tape right over here. I purchased additional 3M tape. This is not the one that the side skirts came with. I don't really trust the ones that the side skirts came with. I want to make sure that the side skirt is on the car for a very long time. As you guys can see with the old side skirts right over here, I used the tape that it came with, and this one's already flimsy. But we're using this tape right here. I'll have it linked in the description below, and I was lucky enough to have 2 rolls, so hopefully I don't run out. And also, you want to be very careful that you don't scratch the side skirt in the process. I'm trying my best to be careful as I do this. So we finally went ahead and got the old side skirts off, and these were pretty easy to remove because these were falling off anyways. So we finally went ahead and got these side skirts installed onto the FRS. Right here are the S-style side skirts, and let me go ahead and take a step back and show you guys a bit more in detail. So I hope you guys like it. I know it kind of makes some things like the front lip and diffuser look a little out of place, probably because of the aggressiveness. But those two Aero pieces, I feel like I'm gonna change anyways, so it doesn't really bother me. Because the front lip is so thin and the side skirts are a bit more bulky, I feel like adding a paint matched front lip that's a bit more bulkier with kind of the same two-toned look would look really nice on the build. The diffuser is an OEM Plus style diffuser anyways. I don't really mind that much into changing it out, but I feel like I still will do it because once we add the front lip on the car, I feel like the diffuser is gonna need to be a bit more aggressive. So I probably will look into changing that out if I can find any that would match the build any good. Now, one thing I was able to get away with on my old build that I may not be able to get away with now is running the no spats look. So with the old Aero pieces I had on my car, I was running no spats, and honestly, it didn't bother me. But now that I'm running these side skirts and I'm gonna be running a different front lip, I think we're gonna go ahead and have to add on some sort of rear spats on the car. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any suggestions on the front lip, rear diffuser, or even the rear spats, let me know in the comments below. So I paid $310 on these side skirts. Now, depending on where you are, it may be a bit cheaper. I had to overpay a little because I got a shop to go ahead and import these side skirts from the States all the way up here. Now, these side skirts on eBay are usually around the $180 USD mark, which in Canadian is around $250. I also went ahead and got these side skirts paint matched, and paint matching these side skirts with the two-tone look cost me $250. Now, I also got a very good deal on getting these painted. A lot of shops were charging from $300 to $600 to get these side skirts done. Now, I found somebody local who was able to paint them with a quick turnaround time, and they did a pretty decent job. So in total, adding both those up, I spent $560 on these side skirts. Now, the old side skirts on my car were the ST style side skirts, and to be honest with you, they were fading and getting very old. I know the TRD side skirts are very popular for the platform, and they do look really good on the car, but these would be something very close to second. I also think going with the two-tone paint match was a very good idea. I think if we painted the side skirts just all fully red, it wouldn't have looked nice on the car. The two-tone does a really good job on matching the gloss black roof wrap, the tints on the car, and also the black accents like the headlight. The two-tone color idea I got from another build. It was a blue BRZ, and that BRZ is running the exact same setup as me with the two-tone paint. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys have made it this far, definitely hit this video with a like. If you guys are new here, scroll down below and hit that subscribe button because we are almost at 3,000 subscribers. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.
Won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.